Please surrender your firearms. They will be returned to you upon touchdown.
You good?
Never been better.
It's about 45 minutes.
Mike, I wasn't even gonna tell you this, but in one of our previous lifetimes together, you were a donkey, and I owned you. You were a stubborn ass, Mike. You used to bite and spit. You were nasty, but I was a terrible owner, you know, because I used to beat you, because you wouldn't listen for shit. And maybe I beat some kind of shame into you, Mike, and now I realize I was scarring your soul.
You miss your nap?
Mike, I'm trying to apologize to you.
We don't have your blankie, but you could just rest your eyes.
That's exactly how you was as a donkey.
Okay.
That's that shit there.
I get it. You need some help with your seatbelt?
No, donkey.
Hey, Bryant, this is Bronson. Other guys are on turnaround.
Take a seat.
What's up?
Read the lines.
U.S. Marshal Flight 724. We have an emergency. Our prisoner has escaped custody with the aid of my MBPD. Lowrey and Burnett, there are officers down.
Mayday, mayday. They are coming for the cockpit. I repeat, they are hijacking the CH-47. All ground units, please respond.
Give me Lowry's gun.
Copy.
Go! Go! Get firing! Let's go!
Welcome to storm, motherfucker! Fucking cage! Lock it! Mike! It's too heavy! Don't let go!
I'm a drug dealer, man! To the right!
He was using my gun. How the hell did they get on a federal transport?
We need to split up.
We're gonna stay together.
Says who?
I'm not asking you. I'm telling you. We're staying together.
Fuck out my way.
Hey! Look, you are the only person who can identify whoever is doing this. The only way that any of us stays alive is if we get them before they get us. It's no us. They do us.
Damn! That Lowrey DNA is a bitch. Y'all some strong motherfuckers. Okay, now look. Everybody unflex. On 3. 1, 2. There you go.
Captain Howard left us files. He's gonna tell us who's doing this. Dorn has them. We just have to get back to Miami.
You better not slow me down. Lose your phones. He'll keep up with me or I leave you in the dirt. You're in my world now.
Hey, Mike, look, we gotta think about this. I know you wanna move with him, you know, because he's your son.
Whoa, don't air quote that.
No, I didn't. I'm just saying I know why you're trying to protect him, because he's family.
Hey, moving the air quotes down to your hips doesn't un-air quote them. Just say he's my son.
He's your son.
No, palms up is like you trying to say, oh, he's not really my son.
Oh, well, your son's getting away.